Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to unlink your Activision account from Xbox, and it's actually very easy to do this. So if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. In order to do this, what we're going to do first is open up a new browser, and then you want to come across to Activision.com. And once you're there, you just want to go ahead and log into your account if you've not done so already. And what's going to happen after you've logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen, which should look a bit like this. And then what you want to do is click onto your profile option. So if you come to the top right hand corner, you'll see profile up here. Just go and give that a click, and it's going to take you across to your account information. So by default, you should be on the linked accounts page, but if you're not, you just want to come to this menu on the left hand side, and you'll see at the top it says account linking. Just go and give that a click. So you can also come across here if you want to unlink any of your other accounts like PlayStation, for example. But as I say, it's very easy to do. You can see down here I've got my Xbox account here, which is linked up. And then once you've gone ahead and clicked unlink, then what's going to happen, that's going to unlink your account. So just a quick note that if you are trying to unlink the same account within a 12-month period, it's not going to let you do that. You do actually need to contact Activision support, so you can do that via the live chat or email. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.